In today's video, I'll be showing you how to transfer files from an external storage to your Google Pixel 8. So as you can see, I have a HDD right here, and what you need to do is, if you don't have a Type A cable, then just get an adapter. Sorry, a Type C cable, get an adapter that can connect a Type A, and then so that you can insert it into your Type C port. So connect the cable to your adapter, and once it's been connected, just insert the adapter into your device. So connect it through the port like that. So you'll have to wait for the contents of your external storage to be read. If it's anything like my disk, then you'll notice that it's flashing. When it stops flashing, it means that it's been successfully connected, and you can now view the contents of this disk. So what you want to do is to open the Files app, and in Files, scroll down until you see the section Storage Devices, and here you should see your external storage. So just tap on it like that, and then you'll see a list of contents in your storage device. So if you want to move or copy one of these items to your Google Pixel 8, just select the item and then tap in the top right corner these three dots here. Select an option, move to or copy to. Move to just means transferring it directly from the storage device to your tablet, to your Pixel, and it will no longer be accessible on your external storage. Copying means that you're just creating a copy on your phone and it will still exist on your external storage. So select one of these options. So I'll select move to, and then tap on your internal storage. Next, select the destination of where you would like it to go to. So you have the option of creating a new folder, or you can use a pre-existing folder. So let me select pictures, and then when you're happy, you can create another folder, so a subfolder in pictures, or you can just tap on move here. So tap like that. Then you'll notice that when you go back to your internal storage, select pictures, you'll see your new image. If you want to move multiple files, then it's easy. It's just go back to your external storage, long press on one file, and then you'll be brought to this menu where you can select more than one file. So instead of moving one individually, you can select as many as you'd like. Then to move or copy, tap on the three dots here. Select one of the options, move to or copy. So tap on one of these options. So let me select move to, then internal storage, select your destination, and then select move here. So it may take a while depending on the file size, so just wait patiently. If something is big, like a video is long and it takes up like 1 GB, it may take a while because of the size difference. It's depending on if you're copying or moving. If you're copying, it might take a shorter time, but still be lengthy. So just wait for it patiently. And once it's finished moving, just go back to your internal storage. Select where you saved your new pictures and videos, and then you should see all your images. So when you're done with that, to eject the disk, just swipe down for quick settings, and then tap on the option for the USB, and then here you just need to tap on the option which has your external storage name. So for example, I would tap on the StoreJet USB drive, tap on it, and then select eject. So then now you can safely eject your external storage once you've transferred your files, your photos and videos. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.